At ayan, ito bumabati ng
happy Pansari Dongo Akiko ko.
I choose this background kasi magpo-fall na dito in few days, wala na yung mga dahon. Yellow muna, tas magano. Ayan, happy
Pansari Dongo, I love you. Alam ko naman na I will never be perfect, pero dahil sa'yo, you choose to love me for who I am, and pinipili mong
sino man yung nangailan ng tulong, nandyan ka, and you give them advices na totoo, yung according to community ng talaga YouTube. And thank you for choosing to stay, and pinipili mong
maging katuwang ko sa buhay, at nandyan para itama ang mali.
At I'm really thankful kasi you do believe na
there is good in me, and you do believe na there is future for both of us. Happy 10th Masari Dongo. I love you. I love you, Dongo Akiko ko.